How to reset your Outlook password if you forgot it. So you want to log into your Outlook account but you have forgotten your password and you cannot sign in, then this video is going to be helpful for you. First of all, open up any browser that you are using and search Outlook and go over to the first website, Microsoft Outlook, microsoft.com. Now in this page, to reset your Outlook account password, here click on sign in. And you will be brought up to Outlook sign-in page. Now here you have to enter the email address of your Outlook account. So let me enter my email address. Once you put the Outlook email address, now here click on next. And as you don't have access to your Outlook account, you have lost your password and you don't even have Outlook app, here select on I don't have access to my Outlook app. And now you will need to verify your identity. So if you had put any alternate email address or mobile number on your Outlook account, then you will get this option. Here either you will have your alternate email address or phone number. As I had added an alternate email address to my Outlook account, here I get the alternate email option. So you have to select on email or phone number, depends on what you have added. Here I'm gonna select my alternate email address. And now here you have to verify your email address or phone number depend on your selection. So if you have selected your phone number, you have to enter your phone number here. But as I have selected the alternate email address, here I need to enter my email address excluding @gmail.com. So let me enter my email address including these hidden parts. And let's click on send code. Now you will receive a code from Microsoft Outlook on your phone number or email address. So you have to enter the code here. Once you put the code, now here again click on next. And then you will be landed in the reset password page. And here you can reset your forgotten Outlook account password. So first create a strong password which should be at least 8 characters and should be case sensitive. After creating a strong password accordingly, under it re-enter that password. And now finally, here click on next. And your Outlook password will be changed. So now here let's click on sign in. And here let me enter my Outlook email address. And let's click on next. And now I'm gonna enter my recently created password. And let's click on sign in. And then it will tell you to stay signed in. Here I'm gonna select no. And that is, now I have successfully got access to my Outlook email account. And that's it, that's how you can reset your forgot Outlook password. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to generate a recovery code for your Microsoft account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.